Alright, so what is this again?
Bird's Eye Rhyolite.
Wow. Bird's Eye Rhyolite.
And I believe it's from Mexico.
You sure attract some amazing stones. Wow.
I'm always on the lookout for weird things.
See the eyes? Very cool, very cool. Did we say where it was from? I forgot.
Mexico, yeah.
Mexico. Let's look at the outside too, just so that you can see this giant piece. Look at this.
Look at all those
wow. Amazing.
Yeah. You can see the little bird's eye right there.
Bird's Eye Rhyolite.
Yeah, there's more there.
Ooh, ooh. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous.